For this example, I need to solve the compound inequality. I am going to start with solving the inequality in the left side. So I'm going to start by minusing negative 8, which gives me negative 5. That cancels. Negative, 10. Perfect. Negative 10. Let's erase that. Negative 10. Now that was step 1. What I just did there, that was my step 1. Now I'm going to divide by negative 5. Divide by negative 5. This cancels, leaving me with x's. Now when we are dealing with inequalities, we must switch the sign if we divide by a negative number. So in this case, we did divide it by a negative 5. So we're going to flip the sign. And then I'm going to have negative 10 divided by negative 5, which gives me positive 2. So, step 2, it's when I divide it. Okay, and I'm going to say that step 3 is when I flip the sign, just in case I wasn't supposed to do that. You will tell me that later. So I have solved the inequality on the left side. Now I'm going to go ahead and solve the inequality on the right side. And minus the 5. Okay. This cancels. And that leaves me with x equals 4. And I did that just on step 4. Okay. Now the directions are, I need to write my answer in interval notation. So to start that, I'm going to draw my number line. This will be my step 5. Okay, so I'm going to draw, I have 2 somewhere over here and 4 somewhere over here. Based on my knowledge of the inequality symbols, I know that they're both going to be an open dot, meaning they're not included. Okay, and then I'm going to read. And I'm going to read from the x. So the first one's x. X is less than 2, which means the arrow will be going towards the negative sign. And I'm going to read the second one. It says x is less than 4. So the arrow is going to be going this way. Okay. So on my step 6, I am going to write my interval notation. Because I am dealing with a OR statement, I only want where they intercept. So, my answer is going to be from negative infinity to positive infinity, right? I mean, that's what goes in my number line. So my answer will be from negative infinity to 2. Parentheses on both. So for step 6, I took the information from the number line and wrote it in interval notation. So, where did I make my mistake? I made a mistake. Where was it? Was something that I didn't understand correctly? Wrote my interval wrong? Draw my number line wrong? Solved wrong? What was my mistake?